New Range Rover. See if it's alright. Alright guys, welcome back. So today we've got this Range Rover. I'm not sure what size it is, to be honest with you. I think it's a 2 litre. It's got no badging on the back. It's an Evoque. It's had a front end impact. Doesn't look too bad, to be honest with you. I had a little look underneath it. Bonnet's smashed, the windows smashed. I had a look underneath it and it was pretty clean, to be fair. Not that rusty. It's on 95k. I'll tell you there. On 96. The steering wheels went, and the airbags went, dashboard went. Curtains haven't gone. Seatbelts seem alright. Still locking up and stuff. Panoramic roof. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's quite a clean car apart from obviously the damage. Engine lights on and stuff. I'll walk around it. There's like some yellow in there, I don't know what that's about. That's trims in the car. Looks like new discs on the front as well. Shocks look alright, tyres look good. Back tyre looks alright as well. 21. Bumpers hanging off a bit there. Looks like it's broke. Yeah, but it looks alright, to be honest with you. Apart from the front, obviously. Spare tyre. Free bag of hula hoops. Can't go wrong. Trees in the back. Like I say, it's a pretty good car, apart from obviously the bit of damage on the front. Big old roof on it. Panoramic roof. Just obviously the airbags. It's an automatic paddle shift. This looks like aftermarket, but it looks like it's been done well. I'm not sure if it is aftermarket. I'm pretty sure it is. Got up there as well. Pretty sure it's usually silver. But yeah, pretty decent. I can't find any service history, so that's a little annoying, but it is what it is. Heated seats. Nice car. Just waiting on my mate to get him back. Then we'll start maybe pulling the front bumper off once we get it in the driveway. She died on us as we were trying to get it up on the driveway. Went to go get some fuel. It's because they take all the fuel out for some bizarre reason. Robbing us of our fuel. It's broken. Right, let's see if Grant can get this up alright. Some slope, like, I don't know if you can... Yeah, you can see that. Let him drive this up here. It's got no cooling. I did fill it up with water, but I think it might have all run out by now. So I'll just quickly get up on the driveway. It's alright. Here, like, trying to stall, kind of. Oh, he's nearly done it. It's an automatic, but I might need to try and push it. One sec, guys. There we go. We got it up. Not bad. I'm going to remove the front end, see what the damage is beneath. hopefully it's not too bad.
New front tyres?
Yeah, I know, and brake discs. And the backs are 21, so they're not that old. Yeah, let's get the front end off. I'll show you the engine, I don't know if it is or not. Well, looks good. New battery on it. You can see how squished it is. As soon as we take this front end off, though, that'll all push back. We can figure out what we need to do to it. Oh, we just took that little tray off there, and you can see now crash bar is demolished. That AC condenser and radiator. Yeah. It doesn't. Yeah. We'll just get the bumper off so we can have a proper look, but not terrible, not terrible. Just more parts to go on this list. Alright, we've removed the bumper. There are all the bits there. Got the lights off. One of them's a bit damaged, but we should be able to repair it. Got the washer bottle here that's knackered. AC's knackered. Radiator's knackered. Intercooler, changing that?
We'll see when it comes off, probably.
Probably changing that. Obviously the crash bar's bent. The legs are alright though. The big beefy things on this, so they're fine. You can see it's crumpled it good there though. But they've got like crumple zones, so that's what they're meant to do. But yeah, it looks alright there. So we're going to try and remove the crash bar and the washer bottle. What are you saying about the washer bottle? The bolts? Oh.
The bolt's there. But then to get the intercooler off, the bolt's this way, there.
Yeah. That's going to be a bit of a challenge. Might just rip this off. Or cut it off. Because you can't even get to that back bolt, can you? Because it's inside of it.
Literally.
Yeah, so we're going to figure out how to get them off and then we'll cut back in. Alright, we've removed more stuff. There's just things everywhere. Radiator's off, that all needs changing. Obviously the AC does as well, but we need to get a guy out to degas it because it's full to the brim. Obviously everything's been taken off. We're just going to cover these with gloves for a minute, but this needs replacing. So the only two things I think that are damaged now is this hose, the AC condenser, but we can't remove that obviously yet. And then these AC lines as well, because they're alright, they're not punctured, but they've been pushed back, so they need replacing. But apart from that, you can see the legs straight as anything. This might be a tiny little bit bent, but that's literally just a thin bit of metal. You just pork it back into place. We're happy with that, aren't we?
Yeah,
just need to change the airbags. Obviously order some bits for it. Not as bad as the black one. That one was a lot worse. But yeah, I guess we'll go order some bits now and get back to you once that's all sorted. Alright guys, we've cleared everything up. Put all the parts away that we're keeping and what we're not keeping. We'll just leave them over here until we've fitted everything, just in case you need little bits, because sometimes like maybe this bottom piece or something might be better than the other one or something, so you've got to keep them just to make sure. Keep the number plates for a minute as well, even though they're broken, because they came with no V5. But yeah, get all the bits ordered, and part 2 we should be putting stuff back together on the front end. But hope you enjoyed it guys, thanks for watching, see you later.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight,